Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing Binomo. Binomo is a binary options trading platform offering fixed return contracts like high and low on various assets, stocks, currency pairs, and indices. While marketed as a simplified trading service, it resembles gambling more than a traditional financial trading and has sparked controversy in multiple regions, including India. You'll have access to over 40 assets like stocks, forex, and indices. Multiple accounts type. You can have a free demo starting with 1,000 virtual dollars or standard gold or VIP accounts that offer varying withdrawal speeds, profit limits, and bonuses. Unlimited demo trading for practice before risking real money, and VIP users get perks like cashback, personal managers, and expedited withdrawals. Also the deposits via credit or debit card, e-wallets, and bank transfer. Withdrawal processed in 1 to 3 business days. Minimum deposit is around $10. Now let's move to the cons. Binomo operates on a binary option model, often linked to gambling rather than investing. Many users and moderators warn manipulated charts, unfair odds, and misleading demo results. Numerous reports describe withdrawal delays, account locks, or block large sums, even after winning tournaments. Also, Binomo is not regulated by major financial authorities and it is registered offshore, for example St. Vincent and the Grenadines, raising legal concerns. So, Binomo is a controversial platform best understood as a binary betting system rather than traditional trading. It offers easy entry, demo practice, and attractive bonus programs, but at the expense of fair odds and consistent payouts. If you're a casual beginner only seeking minimal risk demo learning, it might serve as a practice tool. If you're seeking legitimate returns or serious investing, it poses substantial risks, delayed withdrawals, limited regulations, and potentially manipulated outcomes. So, treat Binomo with extreme caution, never deposit more than you can afford to lose, and consider regulated trading platforms or exchange-based investing for safer, transparent experience. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.